Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can perform a factory reset on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. First of all, thank you to MySP for providing us with this phone today. For that, you want to go ahead and take out your SIM card and your SD card. For that, you need your simple paper clip or your SIM card ejector. Open your SIM card slot and then take out the tray. Take out your SIM card and your SD card and then put the whole thing back in the phone. Now you want to go ahead and go to settings and then go to accounts and sync. Go to Google account and say more, remove account, yes, use PIN, confirm. And now you can go to about phone and then go to factory reset. Erase the following items: contacts, photos, videos, apps, accounts, backup, SD card data, and other items on this device. Erase all data. Confirm with your PIN. Backup items first. All backup stored on this device will be deleted permanently. Backup important items to your computer. So if you have some important information on here, you should go ahead and back that up. I'm going to say factory reset. Attention, factory reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data. Make sure you back up all the important items to your computer. Next, make sure all the important items are backed up to your computer. All the data on this device will be erased during this reset. You won't be able to restore the items you haven't backed up. Alright, and now it's resetting. So now we're back at the start and we can go ahead and set up this phone like from scratch again. So that's how you can perform a factory reset on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.